Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope fine. Your Ranjana ma'am is back here with the science lessons of class 4. Till now, we have done 3 chapters. Students, I hope you are quite prepared with all the 3 chapters. Today, we are going to start chapter 4. Plants in the surroundings and environment. Types of plants. Take a walk around a park or garden in your school or near your home. Observe the different kinds of plants growing there. Do you find small plants and big trees both in the same place? I think you have seen it. Which plants do you think will bend in a breeze and which will not? Can you tell, students? We will learn about it. Based on this, we can classify plants. So, when you take a walk along the road or when you go to school, you see different types of plants. We are going to learn about them. Herbs. Some plants are small with flexible, soft stems. So, they can be bent easily. They are flexible. They are not very rigid. They are called herbs. Herbs may have a few branches. Plants like the mint, spinach, coriander, rice and wheat are herbs. You must have heard about the names of all these plants. Mint, you can make good chutneys with it. Mint, coriander. Then spinach, you eat this plant. Then rice and wheat, they are also herbs. See, here the spinach plant. It's a herb. So, what are herbs? Herbs are plants with small plants with flexible and soft stems. Examples: mint, spinach, coriander, rice and wheat. Next is shrubs. Some plants are taller than herbs and have woody stems. They are called shrubs. What are shrubs? They are taller than herbs. Herbs are small, soft plants, but shrubs are taller than herbs. They have many branches that arise from near the base of the plant. Plants like the rose, hibiscus, tulsi and lemon are shrubs. See, the rose plant, it is a shrub. What do you find in this? They have branches that arise from or near the base of the plant. Many branches grow from the base. Examples: rose, hibiscus, tulsi, lemon. Then trees. Students, you must have seen trees all around. What are trees? Trees are plants that are tall and have a thick woody trunk. What is the characteristic of tree? They are tall, they have a thick woody trunk. They have a big trunk around them. The big stem, which is woody, that is called the trunk. Trees bear branches on the upper part of their trunk. The trunks, they are very long. They are very strong also. And on their upper part, what happens? That there are branches. From there, the leaves grow. The mango, ashoka, neem and banyan are example of trees. So, what are trees? Trees are plants that are tall. They are tall plants and they have thick woody trunk. And they bear branches on the upper part of their trunk. See, the banyan is a tree. They have strong, thick, woody trunk. Mango, ashoka, neem and banyan, examples of trees. Then comes the climbers and creepers. Some plants have weak stems that cannot hold the plant up straight. Some plants you will see, they cannot stand straight on their own. Some of these plants climb on other plants or things. They are called climbers. The name came from what? Because they climb on other trees. The money plant and the pea plant are example of climbers. So, what are climbers? The plants that have weak stems and they need support to stand upright. Some plants grow along the ground like the pumpkin and watermelon. They are called creepers. So, some plants, see the watermelon, they grow along the ground. Also the pumpkin, you must have seen it. They are called creepers. So what are the 5 types of plants we have studied just now? Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. Students, turn your page. Stop and check. Identify these plants as herb, shrub or tree. What is neem? Neem is a tree. Wheat? Wheat is a herb. Lemon? Lemon is a shrub. Are you writing it? You will write on your own. Okay. Neem is a tree. Wheat is a herb. Lemon is a shrub. And identify these plants as climber or creeper. Watermelon, it is a creeper and pea is a climber. Till this much I hope it is clear to you. The 5 types of plants we have learnt about it. Herbs, shrubs, tree, climber and creeper. Now let us study the parts of a plant. See students, on your page on the left hand side, these are the parts of a plant. What are the different parts of a plant? Let us find out. First we will say that the plants have 2 main parts. A part that grows above the soil. This part that grows above the soil is called the shoot system. And the part that grows below the soil, that is the root system. And we will learn about this in detail. In the root system, we find the roots, and in the shoot system, we find the stem, the fruit, leaf, flower, and bud. Let us learn about the root system. The part of a plant that grows below the soil is the root system. Again, in the root system, there are 2 main types of roots. One is the taproot system, another is the fibrous root system. Let us learn about the taproot system. A taproot system has a thick main root growing straight down into the ground with small thin roots growing from it. Mango, apple and plum trees have taproots. See, it has a main root and small roots on the side of the main root growing from it. This is the taproot system. And what is the fibrous root system? A fibrous root system has many thin roots growing from the base of the stem. See, many roots growing from the base of the stem. There is no main root. All the roots are of about the same thickness. Plants like grass, wheat, rice and bamboo have fibrous roots. So, the fibrous root system has many thin roots growing from the base. Here is the base of the stem. All the roots that are growing from here, they are of the same thickness. And name the plants that have fibrous root system. Grass, wheat, rice and bamboo. Okay students, let us learn till this much. We will continue in our next class. Have a nice day.